What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be a fun one. We are heading down to my performance shop, TurnIn Concepts, down in Cincinnati. We're going to have a little bit of work done. We're going to go ahead and have some tires dismounted from my silver 437 wheels. And additionally, Drew is going to be getting his E90 335i on the dyno. So TurnIn Concepts is a performance shop here in Cincinnati, Ohio. I've actually been using them for quite a few years now. Back when I had my blue E90 335i, they actually tuned and dynoed that car for me. Additionally, over the last several years, they've just done random things for me, whether it's, alignments or dismounting tires like what we're going to be doing today, or little things like that. TurnIn Concepts specializes in Subarus, but over the last several years they've kind of evolved into other brands, and they do a lot of BMW stuff, and they're always posting a lot on their social media with other types of cars, Supras, and all kinds of stuff. So definitely trust them. I've been using them for a long time, and so has Drew. Drew pretty much exclusively uses them for performance upgrades and things that I'm not willing to do for him. So if you guys are in the Cincinnati area, definitely go check them out if you're looking for performance upgrades or installations, that sort of thing. TurnIn Concepts, Cincinnati. All right, coffee acquired. So just a recap of what's done to Drew's car. So he's full bolt-on. He's got BMS intakes, VRSF downpipe, VRSF intercooler, VRSF full exhaust. He's got JB4, and he also has an MHD back-end flash, and he runs E85 majority of the time. So really curious to see how much power he puts down. I'm thinking probably just over 400 or right around 400 wheel. The car is pretty quick, but it's nothing crazy. But I think it's gonna be really fun for him to see all of the things that he's spent money on, and all of the projects that we've done to his car, and actually be able to see actual horsepower numbers. Little F31, you don't see that too often. Pretty cool. Alright guys, so that just about wraps up today's video. As you can see, Drew's car hit about 369 wheel horsepower, and that was on a Dynotech Dyno Dynamics dyno, so that reads about 15 to 20% less than like a Mustang dyno. So really, if you do some math, just to make numbers easier, it's about 425 wheel horsepower and over 500 foot-pounds of torque. So I think he's excited and super stoked with those numbers, and I think that's about it. So if you guys have any comments, questions, concerns about any of the things that we've done to his car, please let me know. Otherwise, we will see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow both me and Drew. I will put our Instagrams in the description below. But other than that, check out TurnIn Concepts if you're in Cincinnati. Otherwise, we'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Thanks for watching.